According to Traders Union, Bitcoin may gain 0.5% tomorrow. To begin, let's check the chart and see how things are shaping up. Today, Bitcoin has gone down 0.5% and is now sitting around $63,384.30. Now, let's explore the forecast section. The model from Traders Union points to $63,696.39 by tomorrow, a projected 0.5% increase. Crypto Predictions expects Bitcoin may move higher towards $63,536.80, a rise of about 0.2%. Coin price forecast highlights the possibility of advancing to $63,426, a rise close to 0.1%. Another prediction from Gov Capital suggests Bitcoin may move down to $62,617.06, roughly 1.2% lower. All 5 predictions are done. Let's move on. Let's now shift from expectations to potential performance. Taking into account the different outlooks, the projected price change could range between a decrease of 1.2% and a rise of 0.5%, depending on the analyst. That means Gov Capital is set to achieve the highest return with 1.2% rise in value by tomorrow. From this, it's clear you could earn between $1 and $12 for every $1,000 you invest. When factoring in volatility, coin price forecast indicates the most likely price change with a 72.2% probability. Pulling together the 4 forecasts, I've come up with a consensus scenario. The consensus points toward Bitcoin hovering near $63,319.06 without much change. Let's go a little deeper. The consensus base case places the price 0.1% lower. This implies that your capital could gain by the same 0.1%. If you invested $1,000, the forecast could mean $1 in profit. Consensus figures indicate that the chance of this forecast being realized is about 72.2%. To get the full picture, let's look at the 3-day predictions from analysts. Traders Union anticipates Bitcoin holding close to current levels. Crypto Predictions expect strength on the upside. For the near term, coin price forecast sees the price staying level. Gov Capital signals a short-term move lower. The consensus forecast shows Bitcoin holding level without strong upward or downward moves. The combined picture shows that most expect Bitcoin to move into lower levels. 2 days back, 4 sites posted forecasts for tomorrow. That tomorrow has already passed, so let's review the results. In the end, the final close was $63,485.50. Yesterday showed that only a few forecasts captured the correct direction. Measured by accuracy, coin price forecast ended up the best. Let's put everything in order. The candle contained 3 forecasts yesterday. And about ROI, there were multiple profitable forecasts, up by 30 rates at 1%. And now on screen is the full fact-check summary. A quick look at how the forecasts actually performed. Looking at performance, the forecast probability for coin price forecast was 71.5% with accuracy and 0.2% ROI. Look at the numbers. Can you guess who performed best? Now you'll see how tomorrow's forecasted gains differ between Bitcoin and several other coins. In the profitability overview, Bitcoin holds 5th place and Uniswap forecasts 6.1%. At this stage, Bitcoin is compared with only 4 random cryptocurrencies. The full table with many more assets is already waiting on my website. If you like seeing what's moving before the rest of the market, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.